Hi, my name's Sharon Garner and I'm with Basnight Garner Real Estate. Welcome to 210 Frost Lane in Sauter Path, North Carolina. I'm here at this beautiful new construction home boasting panoramic ocean and sound views. We also have zoysia grass amongst the massive live oak trees. We also have a deeded walkway to the Roosevelt Nature Preserve, which takes you down to a quiet beach on the ocean. So let's go inside in this beautiful home and look at all the wonderful features this house offers.
Hello, welcome to the best feature of the house in my opinion. From the spectacular water views to this custom kitchen, it is absolutely amazing. From the enormous island that has shiplap on the other side, to the cabinets that are all soft close, as well as the pullouts below each of the cabinets that feature drawers. The sink is a 42-inch undermount stainless steel sink. It has a colander, a cutting board, and a grate. A dream for anyone who loves to work in the kitchen. All of the appliances are KitchenAid. They're all stainless. It has a dual oven, gas cooktop, and electric oven, which I think is the best combination that there is. You'll also notice that there's subway tile from above the countertops, which are Salastone quartz, all the way up to the ceiling. The subway tile has been matched with penny mosaic throughout the kitchen and throughout all the bathrooms in the house.
Thank you for joining us at one of our premier listings, 210 Frost Lane in Salter Path, North Carolina. Sharon, Sherry, I can't say enough about this amazing property.
It is stunning.
Every detail taken care of, and we can't wait for you to preview this beautiful listing.
See you soon.
Guys.
Have a great day.